Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight at 11. Coronavirus cases increased across the country by more than 1 million in just a week. The U.S. has now surpassed 11 million coronavirus cases as hospitals are pushed to the brink. States are shutting down. New Jersey tonight restricting gatherings to no more than 10 people. Michigan's governor issuing a stay-at-home order, and New York tightening restrictions.
And Liz, Palm Beach County, along with the rest of the state, now seeing spiking cases. A White House report obtained by CBS 12 News also says Florida is in a so-called red zone for COVID cases. Palm Beach County commissioners meeting tomorrow to hear again from the head of the county health department and to get a better picture of where we stand. But first, our CBS 12's Jay O'Brien is here tonight with why local officials may actually have their hands tied. Jay, what's that about?
Yeah, Liz and Jim, you won't see shutdowns on streets like Clematis or really across the state, according to Governor DeSantis. It comes while Palm Beach County leaders tell us something that many have long suspected, that this new number of cases are driven in part by young people who are going out on the town. It's something that we've seen before, but this time Palm Beach County doesn't have much it can do to stop that. Maggie, Al, and their dog, Pedro, out on the town.
We get out every morning and every night for a walk.
The West Palm Beach couple still goes out to eat, but they're taking precautions, avoiding crowds and eating outside.
We think about it. Look, with people, if they didn't have masks on or they were too close.
Some aren't being so careful.
More than 5 or 6 people, I don't recommend.
Businesses in Palm Beach County are still required to keep customers socially distant, but under Governor DeSantis' orders, they're also allowed to operate at full capacity, making it hard for groups like the county COVID compliance team to enforce keeping people apart. That's not the only limitation, says County Commissioner Melissa McKinley.
We've had our hands tied by our state.
A county can fine businesses if customers don't have masks on. It can also limit hours of operation. But the county can't fine people for not wearing masks. It also can't close a business entirely or limit capacity, although there are some ways around that. McKinley says the county can reduce capacity if it sends a study to the governor analyzing the economic impact. But county leaders tell CBS 12 News before adding new restrictions, they also first want to fight so-called COVID fatigue, reminding exhausted Floridians of the importance of wearing masks and social distancing.
Also to let them know that if our numbers go up and they hit a certain point, we will restrict the hours of operation and we will restrict the capacity of establishments.
There is expected to be a discussion of coronavirus at the county meeting tomorrow, but don't expect many decisions to be made. One county official telling us that these meetings that come right after Election Day are largely ceremonial. I'm Jay O'Brien, CBS 12 News.
Florida added 10,000 new COVID